Today we are going to discuss next definition of homomorphism. So next definition of homomorphism is next definition kernel of homomorphism. Kernel of homomorphism. Okay. Kernel of homomorphism. Definition kernel of homomorphism. Let phi from G to G dash, let phi from G to G dash be group homomorphism, the kernel of homomorphism, the kernel of homomorphism is denoted by kernel of homomorphism is denoted by kernel kr and phi. Kernel phi and is given by kernel of phi equal to x belongs to G, means domain, with kernel phi contains elements of domain such that their image phi of x equal to E dash, where E dash is identity of G dash. Okay, means kernel phi, those element contains their image is a E dash in codomain. Okay, their image is a identity in codomain, means x belongs to G such that their image is identity. Okay, if G dash is identity 0, then phi of x equal to 0, then their identity is 1, then phi of x equal to 1. So this is definition of kernel phi. If image of this element is identity in G dash, then those element belongs to in kernel phi. This is the definition of kernel phi. Okay, so then theorem, let phi from G to G dash be group homomorphism, such that kernel phi equal to x belongs to G, such that phi of x equal to identity E dash, where E dash belongs to G. Okay, is a subgroup of G. Okay, that is kernel phi is subgroup of G. Okay, how to prove kernel phi is subgroup of G? Using subgroup test. Okay, using subgroup test to show that kernel phi is a subgroup of G. Okay, let here clearly kernel phi is a subgroup of kernel phi is subset of G, because which contains the element of domain. Therefore kernel phi is a subset of G. Okay, and given that phi is homomorphism, and is identity of G. Okay, is identity of G, which imply that phi of E equal to E dash, is identity of G dash. Okay, is identity of G dash, means at least identity element, image of identity element is identity element in G dash, which imply that E belongs to kernel phi. By definition of kernel phi, means kernel phi is non-empty. Okay, that is kernel phi is non-empty means which contains at least one element. Therefore kernel phi is non-empty. So let choose any two elements from kernel phi. Let x1 x2 belongs to kernel phi. Okay, x1 and x2 belongs to kernel phi, which implies that we satisfy phi of x1 equal to e1 dash, sorry, phi of x1 equal to e dash and phi of x2 equal to e dash, because their image must be identity in G. Okay, those element is contain kernel phi, their image is identity in codomain. Okay, so phi of x1 x2 belongs to kernel phi, x1 and x2 belongs to kernel phi, which implies that the image of phi of x1 and x2, phi of x1 equal to phi of x2 is image of e dash in G dash. So to show here, to show x1 into x2 inverse belongs to kernel phi, that is to show that means for kernel phi is group of G, to show x1 into x2 inverse belongs to kernel phi, then kernel phi is a group of G, but x1 into x2 inverse belongs to kernel phi, that is to show phi of x1 into x2 inverse equal to identity. Okay, this is to show when phi of x1 into x2 inverse belongs equal to identity in means e dash in G dash. Okay, e dash in G dash, then x1 into x2 inverse belongs to kernel phi. Okay, so how to proving this? Consider phi of x1 into x2 inverse equal to phi is homo, which can be written in the form of x1 into phi of x2 inverse, and this is also written in the form of phi of x1 into phi of x2 their whole inverse. Okay, their whole inverse, since phi of a inverse equal to phi of a inverse, and phi is here, phi is homomorphism. Okay, so phi of x1 into phi of x2 and their whole inverse belongs to e dash. Phi of x1 equal to phi of x1 equal to e dash into their e dash inverse. Phi of x2 value of phi of x1 equal to e dash, and phi of x2 their value is e dash their inverse, and inverse of identity is identity itself, means e dash into e dash, which is, and multiplication of two identity e dash, since inverse of identity equal to identity. Okay, so therefore which implies that phi of x1 into x2 inverse equal to e dash, which implies that x1 into x2 inverse belongs to kernel phi by definition of kernel phi. Okay, by using definition of kernel phi, x1 x2 belongs to kernel phi, where x1 and x2 belongs to kernel phi, and therefore by subgroup test or definition of subgroup, by definition of subgroup, kernel phi is subgroup of G. Okay, this is definition of kernel phi. Okay, then this is one definition of kernel phi. Okay, so next theorem let phi from G to G dash be group homomorphism, and let H equal to kernel phi, and let A belongs to G, then the set phi inverse of phi inverse of phi of A, then the set of phi inverse of phi of A equal to x belongs to G, such that means when phi upon the phi inverse means set A is x belongs to G such that phi of x equal to phi of A is the right coset of HA is the right coset of HA is the right coset of HA of H and is also the left coset of and is also the left coset of H. Okay, so this proof of this theorem. Here given that phi from G to G dash be a group homomorphism and given that H equal to kernel of phi. Okay, kernel of phi set is of which contains element, their image is a identity codomain. Okay, so phi inverse of phi of A equal to x belongs to G such that phi of x equal to phi of G. This set here to show this set is a right coset of A, right coset, and this is also show that left coset of H. Okay, so proof of this theorem, let phi from G to G dash be group homomorphism and H equal to kernel phi. Okay, therefore which implies that H is the set of x belongs to G such that phi of x equal to E dash. Okay, H equal to kernel phi, which implies that H equal to x belongs to G such that phi of x equal to E dash. Okay, let A belongs to G be a fixed element, be any fixed element, let suppose that this set is a notation, suppose that K. Okay, this set is K, which is phi inverse of phi of A. Okay, this set, and which is set x belongs to G, phi of x equal to phi of A. Their notation only K. Okay, and to show K is right coset, this set is K is right coset, this set is right coset HA of H and okay, right and left coset. That is to show K is right coset HA of H. That is to show that K equal to HA. Okay, here to show K equal to HA. Okay, for this we have to show K equal to HA, which K equal to HA here to show, which implies that K is subset of HA and HA is subset of K. HA is right coset and K and HA are equal if and only K is subset of HA and HA is subset of K. Okay, here to show this set is a right coset of HA. Okay, means to show right coset of HA is equal to this set K. So for this we have to show, for this we have to show K is subset of HA and HA is subset of K. Okay, so let choose any elements, any one element from G. Let x belongs to K, which implies that x belongs to this set K, which implies that phi of x equal to phi of A. Okay, x belongs to this set K, which implies that we satisfy this property phi of x equal to phi of A, which therefore phi of x into phi of A inverse equal to phi of x into phi of x inverse equal to phi of x into phi of A inverse, and this is also written in the form of by definition of K. Okay, by definition of K, here this phi of x into phi of A and their whole inverse which is written in the form of phi of x into phi of A inverse, because phi of A, their whole inverse equal to phi of A inverse. Okay, so here phi of x equal to phi of A inverse equal to phi of x into phi of A inverse, then which is of the form of, since here since A belongs to G, which and G is a group, which imply that G is a group, which imply that phi of A inverse, this is belongs to in G dash. Okay, so using this criteria, using this result, since phi is homomorphism, phi of x into phi of A inverse equal to phi of x into A inverse, because phi is homo, which implies that value of phi of x into phi of A inverse equal to phi of x into A inverse. Okay, but since phi of x into A inverse equal to E dash, why phi of x into A inverse equal to E dash? Because phi is homomorphism. Okay, here phi is homomorphism, and image of x into A inverse equal to E dash. Why? Because here given that here their value phi of x into phi of A inverse equal to identity must be, because phi of x and phi of A are inverse of each other. Okay, phi of x and phi of A inverse are inverse of each other, which imply that their values must be identity, because phi of x is image of image of x, and phi of A inverse is image of A inverse, and then their multiplication phi of x and phi of A are equal. Therefore phi of x here phi of x equal to phi of A, which implies that phi of x into phi of A and their whole inverse equal to identity, and this belongs to in G dash. Okay, and this equal to phi of x into A inverse equal to E dash. Okay, so therefore phi of x into A inverse equal to E dash, which imply that their image is identity in G dash, this belongs to in G dash, so which imply that x into A inverse belongs to kernel phi. Okay, by definition of kernel phi, using this definition, x into A inverse belongs to kernel phi. Okay, x into A inverse belongs to kernel phi, but kernel phi is here x into A inverse belongs to h, because h equal to kernel phi. Therefore x into, which implies that x into A inverse is equal to h, where h belongs to h. Okay, where for some h belongs to h, say that x into A inverse equal to h, say h where h belongs to h, which implies that x into A inverse equal to h, which implies that x belongs to, or x equal to, which implies that x equal to ah. Okay, or sorry, which implies that x equal to ha. Here only multiplying post multiplying by a, which implies that x into A inverse into A equal to ha, and therefore x equal to, which implies that x equal to ha, and therefore x equal to ha, which implies that x belongs to right coset of ha, because their element is of the form, right coset of element is of the form of ha, where a belongs to G. Okay, so x belongs to ha, and this x is chosen from K. Okay, this x belongs to K, and this x is all here belongs to ha, which implies that K is subset of, therefore x is a subset of K is a subset of HA. Okay, so this is equation number 1. Then to show that here K is subset of HA. Here one condition is proved. Okay, K is subset of HA. Then to show that HA is a subset of Ka. Okay, so choose one element of HA. Choose any one element of HA, and then to show that this element, suppose choosing any one element from HA. Okay, choosing any one element from HA, and then to show that this element is belongs to in K. Okay, so here this is equation number 1. Okay, now let here suppose that let y belongs to HA, means right coset of H. Okay, right coset of H, which implies that y is must be of the form of H1 into A. Okay, for some H1 belongs to H. Okay, means, and when function phi is applied on that element, then phi of H1 A. Okay, but phi is homomorphism, which can be written in the form of phi of H1 into phi of A. Okay, phi of y equal to phi of H1A equal to phi of H1 into phi of A, where phi is homomorphism. Okay, but here H1 belongs to H, and H is here kernel phi. Okay, H is equal to here assume that H equal to kernel phi. Okay, H is a kernel phi, and this H1 belongs to H, and H is kernel phi, which implies that phi of H1 means image of H1 is identity in codomain. Okay, their identity codomain, which implies that phi of y equal to phi of H1 is identity, and identity into phi of A is equal to phi of A itself. Okay, phi of y equal to phi of A. Okay, phi of y equal to phi of A, or here one step here E dash into phi of A, which implies that phi of y equal to E dash into phi of A, and which implies that phi of y equal to phi of A, where E dash is identity codomain, and phi of A is also element of codomain, because their images must be images belongs to in codomain. So phi of y equal to identity into this element equal to this element itself. We say because G dash is a group, and these two elements are belongs to in G dash, so G dash is group, which implies that identity into this element is equal to this element itself, which implies that phi of y equal to phi of A. Okay, which implies that phi of y equal to phi of A, and here phi of y equal to phi of A, this condition is a condition of this set phi of x equal to phi of A, means here this element contains this set such that we satisfy this condition phi of x equal to phi of A. Okay, here condition y is belongs to in HA, and then this y is satisfies this condition phi of y equal to phi of A, which implies that y belongs to K. Okay, which implies that y belongs to K, but y is element of HA, which implies this y belongs to HA, but this y belongs to HA is an element of K, which implies that HA is a subset of K, which implies that HA is a subset of K. This is equation number 2. Okay, therefore from 1 and 2 K equal to HA. Okay, K equal to HA, that is K is right coset, K is right coset HA of H. Okay, and similar way here right coset, similar way for left coset. Similarly K is left coset AH of H. Okay, so this is proof of this theorem. How to prove this theorem? So only choosing given set has a name is K and H equal to kernel phi here given, and to show that this set equal to right coset and left coset. Okay, this set is equal to right coset of HA, right coset H and left coset of H. Okay, how to show in this step? Only to show that K equal to HA means choose one element from K, and then to show that this element belongs to in HA, then K is subset of HA. And another condition for choose one element from HA, and to show that this element belongs to in K, therefore HA is subset of K, means K is subset of HA and HA is subset of K, which implies that K equal to H. So it is very simple proof. Okay.